Hello guys, welcome back to bashlamp YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to look how we can install the Kali Linux on VMware Workstation. I assume you have installed VMware Workstation. So let's get started. First search OS boxes Kali and go to this page. And you will see Kali Linux 2020 box. There, you can find two different versions. One is for VirtualBox and other one for VMware Workstation. In this video we are going with VMware Workstations. So you can download VMware version. In the info tag, you can find the default credentials for this box. So you can use this credentials to log in into the box. In my case, I have already downloaded the Kali machine. Now let's fire up the VMware Workstation. As you can see, I have already installed some boxes. But let's try to install our new box. For that, click Create New Virtual Machine. Then select the typical installation method. In this dialog box you can see three kinds of ways to add our operating system. If you have the ISO file, you can add with this, but in our case, we downloaded in hard drive format, so select Install Ladder option and click Next. In this dialog box, select the guest operating system as Linux, and version as DB9, and version can be 64-bit or 32-bit, depending on your system. In this dialog box, you will be asked to provide the name of the virtual machine. This dialog box asks you to specify the disk capacity. This is the maximum amount of disk space it will utilize once the virtual machine is created. You can leave it to the default because we are going to add our existing disk. And what you see is all the options you have selected in previous dialog boxes. Now click Finish. As you can see, our box is created. But we can't run it because we have to do some modification. For that, click Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Now increase RAM according to your RAM size. Click Hard Disk and remove it. Now click Add, then select the hard disk and choose Existing Hard Disk option and browse and select the downloaded disk. Now, all done. Now play the virtual machine and log in with your credentials. In my case, I have changed my credentials. So, that's it guys for today. After you logged in into your machine, just update it with your terminal. I will leave a link in the description about Kali Linux commands. For more cybersecurity related videos, subscribe to bashlamp channel.